Hey, morning guys. We are on a hike this morning. We're going up to Slide Mountain in the Catskills. It is the highest mountain in Catskill Park here in New York. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 45 degrees right now, and looking forward to a good day. Got Tyler here with me today, my hiking buddy.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to a good day. We're gonna let him go ahead. He's usually the point man. We send him up ahead and take care of any problems.
Hope we don't get lost.
Yeah. Alright, so far the trail has been straight up since we left the parking lot. And very rocky, as you can see. Whew. Good job, Tyler.
Leave it the way you left it,
Leave
right?
no trace.
Leave no trace. That's what it is.
That's it. Alright, so we are getting near the summit here of Slide Mountain. It's been an amazing trail. Beautiful. We're in a pine forest right now. A really awesome smell. It smells like Christmas. But we're getting near the top. We got a little bit more elevation to go, and we'll be on top of the highest mountain in the Catskills. What are you doing? Alright, so this is the summit of Slide Mountain. No view right from the summit. It's all treed in up here. But Tyler's standing on the official summit marker. I guess used to be a plaque on there or something, but it's long gone.
No, I just got service.
I don't know how to get down.
How big is that drop?
Pretty good.
Yeah, let's throw your trekking poles down and turn around.
Turn around on what?
Well, if you throw them down, you're going to have to get down. We can't turn around.
Easier to climb than get down.
Alright, so we made it over the summit of Slide Mountain. And we're coming down the other side now. About 2/10 of a mile. There's supposed to be a spring down here. And Tyler just said he found the sign. So he's way up ahead of me right now. Well, it's been really, really steep. A lot of rock scramble. And I know the stairway doesn't look that steep, but it's really steep. Not a good place to be if you're a little bit afraid of heights.
This is the best view on the mountain. It's an awesome view. We'll find if it's worth going back up the mountain though. There's gonna be some nice rock scrambles going up. My uncle might kill me for that. But the view, totally worth it.
Alright, so we made it to the spring here. I'm going to filter some water and refill my one bottle, which I've got about empty now. Then we're going to head back up to the top of Slide Mountain and back down the other side. And I think we're just going to do some snacks or something here and then make a meal either up on top or we're going to go down a different trail and try to find some campsites and make our, well, it'll probably be dinner by then. And make our dinner there and then make our way out. Alright, so we are on the Curtis Ormsby Trail right now. So we're coming back down a different way. And we just stopped at this viewpoint here. And we're going to make us a little meal. Sitting on this big rock here. Got a nice little view. It is starting to cloud up though. It was clear blue skies before, now it's kind of clouding over. And it's 4 o'clock, so we got about, well, in the woods here, we probably got about 2 more hours of daylight. But we got headlights and stuff if we need it. We're having some beef tacos. Tyler, he's having, what are you having, Tyler? You're having Cajun style jambalaya and some ramen. Yep. And that's the backpacking meal if I ever seen one. Ramen goes good with anything. So we just came from the Curtis Ormsby Trail, 0.8 miles, and then it was about 1.6 miles up to the top of Slide Mountain. We got 0.7 miles back to the parking lot. So we came from that trail down there, and this morning we went up the trail here to the left, which is 2 miles to the summit, and then we did another 0.2 of a mile down to the spring. So I don't know what that all adds up to, but we'll find out at the end of the day here. Alright guys, we made it back out to the truck. Let's see, John thinks he forgot to lock his truck, and he would have been right. Wow. Yeah, I forgot to lock my truck when we left. Yeah, we made it out just before dark. I don't know what time it is, but let me check. Alright, so we are back in the pickup truck. Made it down. We got conflicting mileages. One was what? 6.46 miles?
The other was like 8.3.
8.49, but I might have messed up.
8.3
8.49, I think. I don't know. Maybe we'll get a final wrap up when I get home, but right now we're just interested in getting home. Whatever we did a lot of it, and a lot of up and down, and there goes the light.